Hi, I'm Christy with WTI. I was looking for a way to take my workouts up a notch. I found these amazing ankle and wrist weights from TokSay. What I love most about these is the versatility. Any workout you're doing, you can add this to your routine to intensify it. So whether it be walking or running or cycling or yoga, the list goes on. Add these to your ankles or wrists for a little extra weight. The weights that I received are 2 pounds each. What's nice is you can actually slide these little silicone weights off and on to adjust the weight if you would like. I will say these are pretty comfortable. It took me a little bit just to adjust to how they feel because it is a little bit different, but after a while it's kind of like wearing a watch or a bracelet. You just kind of get used to it being there. This might seem a little odd to you, but another way I'll use these is not just when I work out, but just everyday things around the house. You can throw these on your cleaning day, or for me, I work outside of the home and I clean a facility twice a week. So I'll take these with me. It comes with a little carrying bag. You can throw these in the bag. I throw them in my purse. And then when I get out to work and do my job, I throw these on my ankles. So as I'm dusting, as I'm scrubbing, I'm also getting a little bit of a workout in. So I really love that. So all in all, I think this is an excellent way to enhance your workout without really having to do anything to change your routine. So if you just want to kick it up a notch, you should check these out. And that's my point of view.